Why do we love? Why do we love? The reason's not clear. Each soul has emotions uniquely sincere. Others feel things we might never know. A mystery, why to you I am drawn so. Is it something deep in my soul's song, guiding me to you, where I belong? Why does a bee choose a flower so fair, skipping others that seem beyond compare? Why does a bird, in the woods so vast, select one tree where its heart is cast? Why love one person and not another? Is it searching for a kindred lover, seeking my half to make me whole? Even without touch, love warms my soul. Rarely we see a lone bird's flight in a forest dense, through day and night. Yet, on a hill, a lone tree stands, conquering its space, surveying the lands. Is the tree's solitude as deep as ours, while it withstands the sun and showers? If we were the same, would love have a role? Yet, the fear of losing myself takes toll. For love transforms us, in its embrace, into something new, a different face. What is love? A uniting quest, venturing forth, leaving known for the best. We are not confined by completed selves. Maybe completeness doesn't repel. A drop of rain joins the ocean's call, losing itself in the vastness of all. But in unity, it shares its tale. With the ocean's depths, its kin prevail. A star in the boundless sky doesn't fear, yet shines uniquely, bright and clear.